Hello. Recently, I did a little mini blog for you about the function key F9 and how you can use it to select parts of formula while you're writing them in the formula bar and see all the answers it's going to generate. Really useful for checking it when you've got a complicated formula. I've been using that formula for quite a while, but this week I had an update on my Excel and I don't need to use the F9 key anymore. So some of you may need to use it for a little while. You might be on an older version of Excel, but if you're on the very latest, it's rolling out now. Let me show you what I mean. So just here, I've got a formula up in the formula bar, which is sorting out a big list. Let me just show you the big list. Big long list of people, which department they're in, what shift they work on, and what the manager's name is. So I show a number of different formulas on the courses, which will sort that out into a list of unique departments and even put it into alphabetical order. So the formula is up here in the formula bar. And if I just select the unique formula in the middle here, and just leave it alone, can you see now that just above that formula are all the answers I'm going to get, all the answers that will be generated by using that formula. If I select the entire sort as well, so sort the answers to that unique list, there you go. So now it's putting it into alphabetical order. And I can change which column I want it alphabetical by, and all that sort of thing. But the point is I can see the answers just above it. So you'll have to let me know whether you find that useful or not. It depends what level of Excel you're on. I always say it's useful to know what's in there, because otherwise, how would you know what to use in your job if you don't know it's possible to do these things? But certainly, if you're starting to develop your skills now and using more complex formulas, then either the F9 key, or if you've got the latest version, what I've just shown you, selecting part of the formula, is going to be really helpful to you. Why don't you let me know if you find that useful?